Yeah, right. You've been hiding your true skills. Why did you do this? Lighten up a bit, man. I have my reasons. When a father comes to me and asks for vengeance for his daughter, violated by one of those very criminals, how can I refuse? If you turn a blind eye to what happened to me, I'll leave you be.
Well, you say that. It looks like you're dying to teach me a lesson.
Learn your lesson. Doesn't matter whether you trust me or not. I just feel sorry for the people who had to die while I was exterminating an insect.
And I feel sorry for you too.
Shred you!
You'll get the chance to apologize soon.
Let me show you something fun. Camouflage. Figure, sound, smell. It erases all traces of me. Of course, no one knows that I can use the camouflage skill. Because no one who's ever seen it has survived. This is the end. An opening.
Arise.
What's going on? What the? Darkness. This be a shadow? Who are you? Hunters have witnessed countless deaths and have taken many lives. I've lost, so I'll die. It's the natural order of things. What's your deal?
I'd like to know the answer to that too.
Keeping secrets ain't that great either.
Say I'm a hunter that proves like that. I'm much stronger than you think I'll get.
Your shadow is tethered to the darkness itself. You'll become as strong as the darkness is deep.
There's no doubt I've become much more powerful.